Stocks on the deep, we have GCO, PAVS, CCRN, and YGMZ. GCO down 26.24%. Roughly 20% of its average volume have crossed the tape so far. It is also an optionable stock. Let's see, December 19 series. What were they doing before? Yesterday. Okay, not very much. But regardless, they're very much bearish coming into today's trading session. Intraday low $25.61. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep printing up till midday tomorrow the 5th, and then after that there might be an attempt to bounce that might be rejected. The 40 period moving average is also declining to catch any attempt to bounce, any meaningful attempt to bounce, okay, or to resist it. Projections are currently saying 31.55. It is currently an upper projection, given that it's currently trading at 25.75. Previous projections as of yesterday, the 3rd, we have 34.67, 36.48, 37.59. What are the odds those will print anytime soon? Okay. Before now, in the short term, it was in a short term bullish trend. Okay. Let's see whether there's any news for GCO. Yeah, GCA outlook as shoppers are bringing in spending on shoes. Okay, yeah, unfortunately, that's what's going on. PAVS down 20.59%. Intraday low in the session 0.0250. Not long ago, it printed an intraday high of $1.2. That was on the 20th, I think 2 weeks ago, 20th day. That's the 28th, Friday the 28th. Let's see what we have. Yeah, so far look at that. 83 million shares have crossed the tape. Volatility is very high, 130.66%. Highly volatile, highly volatile. Obviously, being a penny stock, people will be falling over themselves to get on the trade as it concerns the stock. PAVS. One should also expect the company to disclose an earnings split coming anytime soon. Okay. So it actually plunged yesterday, on Monday, plunged up Monday and has continued to print low prices. The algos are, the extrapolation saying that a bounce might play out, but not anywhere close to its 40 period moving average, at least up till the 10th of December. So it's, yeah, there might be a bounce, but not of the sort to retrace or retest previous projections. We have, regardless, we have an upper projection here of 0.8842. It was initiated yesterday. It was initiated yesterday in the pre-market session. Okay, so momentum is expected to remain, it's expected to spike and remain elevated up till Monday the 8th. Okay, Monday the 8th of December. CCRN down 20.11%. Okay, it has already printed more than its average volume. It's equally optionable. Let's see. December 19 series. Yeah, I think okay. I think they're leaning slightly bullish. Yeah, slightly bullish. Yeah, slightly bullish. Yeah. But let's see. CCRN intraday low $6.93 in this pre-market session. We didn't check what the news is. Reports termination of merger deal with Aya Healthcare to be paid $20 million termination fee. Shares drop pre-bell. Okay. Okay, quite unfortunate. Let's see. CCRN. Yeah, but before now it was already declining, so it is in a short-term bearish trend. Lower prices expected to keep printing all the way towards the ninth. All in all, is just saying that the distributive, yeah, lower prices, a volatile decline is expected to keep playing out. Projections, yeah, up till volatile decline all the way towards the 15th of December. In the interim, momentum is expected to keep to spike and remain elevated up till the 12th of December. So yeah, in the midst of the decline, momentum is also expected to increase. Projections are saying 8.1 to 7.46. They're all downward projections, but previous projections as of Wednesday, the 26th of December, we're saying 12.33, 12.96, 13.35, and indeed also those are the downward projections. 7.46, yeah, and then 7.46, yeah, downward projection. And okay, for the upper projections of 8.16 and 9.20. Let's just quickly glance at its underlying trend on the daily chart. Yeah, okay, severely bearish. Okay, and Algo's got this one right. They got it right. They say it was going to be down today, and that's what we're looking at right now. But it's saying by from Monday the 8th, it might the uptrend may attempt to reverse the downtrend it has been on. This downtrend I think began yeah, early October. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. Here on the daily chart, projections are saying 10.5 as of yesterday. Before then, it's reached we've seen high prices already on the 4-hour chart, 12.57. Yeah. YGMZ down 14.29%, intraday low 0.0606. YGMZ penny stock 5.4 million shares across the tape, almost the 50-day average. Okay, and we're still in the pre-market session, highly volatile. YGMZ, is there any news for YGMZ? Okay, no, not that we know of. Yeah, it's been on a downtrend since a long time, since early November, and lower prices are still expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the Monday the 8th. But algos are saying that it might be a volatile one. Okay, yeah, one should expect that, a spike in the momentum might occur by from the end of today's trading session. So let's see how that goes. Projections are saying nothing to the upside at all. Yeah, I don't think there's any news here. Let's see. No news. The listing notice that got that on the 23rd of November. Are they making any attempt to reverse, do a reverse split? Okay. Okay, so have a look and yeah, see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.